A mental health clinic set to open in Bend this summer aims to treat patients with psilocybin, long known as magic mushrooms. Today, Blake Mayfield talked with a co-founder of Bendable Therapy. Blake?
Bendable Therapy says it'll be the first nonprofit facility in the nation that uses psilocybin treatment when it opens. It aims to make alternative treatment affordable for anyone who needs it and to run solely on donations.
We wanted to be sure that we could, see clients from diverse backgrounds.
Oregon became the first state to legalize the medicinal use of psilocybin when Measure 109 was passed by voters in 2020. The measure was in a development period for the first 2 years by the Oregon Health Authority, as it developed rules and procedures to regulate the purchasing and use for psilocybin treatment. And with it becoming legal earlier this year, mental health treatment clinics like Bendable Therapy can now use the psychedelic effects of psilocybin, or mushrooms, to help participants battle PTSD, anxiety, and depression.
Psilocybin sessions can evoke really profound and meaningful experiences. So Bendable Therapy, the name, was born because we are here in Bend, and also the mind is bendable.
Amanda Gao has served at several nonprofits throughout Central Oregon over the years. She's currently in a master's program, pursuing a degree in clinical mental health. She became passionate about opening her own therapy facility after realizing the barriers and cost associated with the treatment.
I realized really quickly that this was going to be inaccessible to the vast majority of the population, and I figured with my background, I could probably do something about that.
At Bendable Therapy, participants will be paired with trained and licensed professionals that best meet their mental health needs and goals. Participants can use a maximum dose of 5 grams of mushrooms per session, as allowed by state law.
When someone comes to us, they can expect, to go through an intake process where we learn more about them and their needs and their goals, and then we align them with a facilitator.
Psilocybin sessions in other parts of the state can cost upwards of more than $4,000 a session. At Bendable Therapy, you can get treatment at no cost to you.
If people have the capacity to, pay for their psilocybin session, we ask that they donate to cover those costs. But if they cannot, financial means will never be a barrier to access.
Under the new state law, only people 21 and older can use psilocybin while being supervised by a licensed facilitator. Bendable Therapy plans to begin offering psilocybin sessions in its own facility in Bend next month. Blake Mayfield, News Channel 21.